Here is a good application of the law of cosines to find the angles of the triangle, knowing only the sides of the triangle. In this case, a equals 5, c equals 7, b equals 10. Remember the law of cosines. The square of any side, like here, is the sum of the square of the other sides minus twice the product of the sides. This side is in front or opposite to the angle that we are going to find. If you use gamma, c squared is the square of 7. If you use alpha, this is the square that comes here, and those are the sides that comes here. You have to practice this law of cosines. Now, let's begin. Let's find gamma. I choose it because this product will give 50. Very good for this. B is 10. Then c squared, 7 squared, equal to 5 squared times 10 squared minus twice 5 plus 10 cos gamma. And then do all the operations you have to do, and then make the cos alpha explicit, and you get this number. The functions sines and cosines are always less than or equal to 1. So, if one of these functions, sine or cosine, gives you more than 1, check the operation you have done, because you are wrong. Cos gamma equals 0.76, then gamma equals cos to the minus 1 of 0.76, and gives this number. This is the arc cos. The inverse of the cos to get the angle. I did it with a Casio calculator, like this. Shift cos to get cos to the minus 1, 0.76, and go. Get this number. I put 4 digits to don't lose precision if possible. Anyway, it's not exactly because there are more numbers to the right over here and more in the memory of the calculator. Gamma is 40. Then let's go and find alpha. I actually have this one. Let's try to find alpha and do the same. The opposite side of alpha. The opposite side of alpha is 5 squared. The sides for alpha are 10 and 7. Square then, and then minus double product of 7 times 10 of those both sides, cos alpha, and then make explicit cos alpha, do the operations, and you get 31 divided by 35, and then alpha is the inverse cos, or cos inverse of this number, and you get 2766 degrees. Now you have 2 values, this and this. Now we can find beta because they all add to 180. Since you know this and you know this, you can find beta. Move this over there and wherever is required, and you will find that beta is this value, 111. To check this answer, let's find beta using the law of cosines. Instead of saying that is the supplement of those two angles. Then, using beta, the side to the square is 10. The sides whose square you are 7 and 5, and minus the double of the product of 5 and 7, and that is cos beta here, and then move everything wherever is required, then cos beta equal minus 26 divided by 70, which is minus 1335, and then use the calculator to find cos inverse of minus 13 divided by 35 will give about the same value, 111.80 degrees. Not exactly, because, you know, each time we calculate, we make sometimes rounding error.